If your Nest doorbell isn't ringing inside your home, don't worry. This is a common issue, and most of the time, it's an easy fix. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most effective solutions to get your indoor chime working again, step by step. Let's start with one of the simplest checks, the electronic chime setting. Open the Google Nest app, head into your doorbell settings, and look for the option labeled electronic chime. If it's turned off, switch it on. Then close the app, reopen it, and switch it off again. It sounds strange, but this quick toggle can refresh the connection and get things back on track. Next, make sure quiet time isn't enabled. Go to the live view of your doorbell in the app, tap the drop-down menu, and look for quiet time. If it's on, your doorbell won't ring inside at all, so turn that off. Another setting you'll want to check is Ring Indoor Chime. Scroll through your doorbell settings until you find it and make sure it's turned on. Here's a trick a lot of people overlook. Try adjusting the settings from a different phone or tablet. If someone else in your home has the Nest app installed, have them open it and toggle the same settings. It's random, but for some users, switching devices magically solves the problem. If none of that works, let's check the hardware. Only do this if you're comfortable, but briefly touching the two doorbell wires together should trigger your indoor chime. If it rings, your wiring and transformer are fine. If not, the issue may be with your transformer or the chime box itself. For battery-powered Nest doorbells, make sure the battery isn't low. A weak battery can stop the indoor chime from working and may even cause live video to cut out when the doorbell is pressed. Charge it for a few hours and try again. And if all else fails, go for a restart or a full factory reset. Hold the button on the back of the doorbell for 5 seconds to reboot it. For a full reset, hold it for around 12 seconds until you hear the tone. Hopefully, one of these steps gets your Nest doorbell ringing inside again. If it did, feel free to explore more helpful fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.